how to fix virus scan failed in Google Chrome. So if you want to fix the virus scan failed in Google Chrome, then you just need to simply go with the search and then search for registry editor. Click on yes, and under registry editor, you just need to simply go with the HKey local machine. Under HKey local machine, you need to go with the software. Under software, go with Microsoft, and then scroll down and search for Windows. Expand the Windows, and under Windows, you need to go with current version. Under current version, you need to go with policies. Under your policies, you will have attachments option. Click on attachments, and you on the right side, you will have scan with antivirus. Double click on it, and then you will get the value data. So if you have the value data as 3, then remove that and then go with 1 and change the value data. And once you've changed the value data, now you need to go back and your problem will be fixed. So before that, you need to simply restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix virus scan fails in Google Chrome. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.